Hola amigos, if you didn't notice, there's Christmas music playing right now. Whoa, that is cool. Do you know why? It's freaking Christmas, so let's make Scratch Cat more festive, I say. Holy sheesh kebab, look how nice Scratch Cat looks. Yeah, basically, we're gonna do 12 short videos for the 12 days of Christmas because I am feeling epic. Alright, so we all have the age-old issue of trying to make our sprites big, alright? And I don't think you understand, but there's a limit. So if I just keep changing his size by 10, eventually it's going to stop sizing up. 418 is the max. But what if I want Scratch Cat to be even bigger than this? Well, that's a very big problem that we have, and it needs to be fixed. Alright, so what we're going to do, very simple fix by the way, get rid of Sprite 2, and we're going to make a new sprite, and instead of doing anything, we're just going to make a tiny little dot in the middle, alright? And so now, as you can see, we can make this tiny little dot absolutely massive. So, switch to the dot costume, alright? Switch to the dot costume, then we can set size, do anything, and then we switch back to costume 1. Look, Scratch Cat keeps going, even though it should be the max. So now we can do this. When this is clicked, forever, we can just forever change his size by that. And he will keep going up until it's the max of that tiny little dot. And you can make that tiny little dot really tiny, like I mean it, bro. So like, let me demonstrate the power of this, alright? We can now set the size to 100 when it starts. And look at this. Boom! It goes on for visibly forever. Okay, the dot reached its max. But look, see, watch this, guys. We go into the dot sprite, zoom up really close, and watch this. We just make the dot insanely small. Alright, now watch this, homies. Boom! It's gonna go for as long as that dot is there. And so now this really helps with backgrounds, I've noticed. So look at the size right now. That is a 29,000. I wish that I had that much dollars. No, I'm just joking with you guys. But yeah, we can legit change the size. 29,000. Change size by -100. Watch this. Whoa, it's like shrinking. And then it's then. Santa Claus. Alright guys, so basically that's really all this tutorial was to show you how to make things go past their boundaries. One's probably going to come out tomorrow if I'm not asleep. If subscribe to be a part of the Gel Jogra. See you guys later.